Welcome back. You're watching the India Ideas Summit and we're in conversation with Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Kiran, you said that you built a company with a mindset of building it to last. I also want to understand from you what it takes to build a company with a mindset of building it to lead. And especially as you look at the future today, what do you believe are the strengths, the advantages that you will continue to build on to ensure that you lead?
Yeah, so I think, what has been the hallmark of Biocon as a group is really our ability to innovate, our ability to differentiate, and our ability to pick up opportunities ahead of others. I think that's what is going to keep us in the leadership position. We have to, think differently. We have to strategize with a view to not following but leading, in which case you have to pick opportunities ahead of others. And of course, I've always believed in differentiation through innovation, and that's what it's all about.
So in the pipeline, in the innovation pipeline, what's got you most excited today?
Well, right now, we are very focused on the biosimilars piece. We are, of course, very focused on the GLP-1 space when it comes to generics. And there we are looking at differentiation through innovative drug delivery devices. So that's something which we're really focused on. The second thing is, of course, that Bicara, which is a very innovative molecule that we have developed in our labs, is in the process of going public in the US. So I think that also would sort of be a testimony to, to our innovation quotient, so to speak. So I think that's the way we look at it. We have a lot of other things, in store for us, but we would like to sort of visit it one step at a time.
Let me just address the regulatory challenges as well, and there are FDA-related issues both with Malaysia as well as the Bengaluru plant. Any update on where things currently stand and how quickly you will be able to resolve them?
Well, we are, in the process of receiving US FDA feedback. So we are in that, and, Malaysia has to be re-inspected. So we have no visibility on when that would happen, but of course the US FDA commissioner has said that there is a backlog of inspections which she said she would try and accelerate. So let's hope that things, work out in the way we expect they will. We believe that we are at a good level of control of all our operations. We haven't seen any concerns around GMP per se or data integrity per se. So we just hope that, we go through this phase in a successful manner.
Kiran, let me end by asking you, we're pretty much at the end of this calendar year and heading to the close of the financial year. How would you sum up this year and what are you looking forward to in the next fiscal?
I've been very proud of the acquisition and the transition that we've made over the last 1 year. I think that was a huge effort, and I think my team did a terrific job of integrating that business and transitioning the business to us. And today we are running in a very efficient way. A seamless transition is what has been possible through the way we've gone about this business. So that's something that we've achieved very successfully last fiscal. Now it's actually going to be about growth and developing the pipeline, new approvals, and new markets. I think we are focused very much on some of these great opportunities that I just mentioned. Market share is something that we are looking at very seriously.
What's the market share target?
Well, across markets. I mean, right now I would say we are seeing good traction in the US, but we also want to see the same traction in other markets like Europe, So I would say that the focus now is going to be about efficiency, about, of course, paring down debt, and really building a very robust, engine in the biosimilars business so that we can really prepare ourselves for an IPO in the near future.
Any indicative timeline as far as the IPO for the biosimilars business is concerned?
Well, we want to target within the next 2 years, if not sooner, but that's the target.
Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, always a pleasure. Many thanks for joining us here on CNBC TV18. We wish you the very best of luck with the plans that you've outlined here with us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Thanks, Shireen. Always a pleasure.
Well, we are going to take a break here, but the conversations will continue at the India Ideas Summit. We're back in a moment with more.